Chat, I'm baffled that some of these tenants are still complaining. Driving in the driveway now, shooting a video. This is after 2 days of melting. You can see we had to abandon the road on this side. There's a still 4-foot bank running down the middle of the road. As we come up on the first set of barns here. As you can see, got about a 15-foot pile of snow here on the side. As we get up here to the dumpster, you'll see 15-foot piles of snow on both sides. It's as high as my truck hood right down the middle of the road. Had to cut a single lane through here. I don't know if the video does it justice, but you can see it's taller than the dumpster here. Same thing, a huge bank going down the left side here. We literally kept the tractor running Monday night into Tuesday, and Tuesday until about 10 p.m. Most of the tenants have been very nice. Several have been still upset and complaining though. Here we get back to the road, but still, as you can see, got a bank as high as my hood going down the left side.
Anyone know where that van came from?
Riding up here to Keith and Kim's up this hill. Another one of the worst spots. It's about 10 feet tall here on my left-hand side, higher than my truck. Get up here at the top of Keith and Kim's, and if you can see, but we got mounds and mounds and mounds of snow. Never seen such snow here. Again, 6 and 8 foot tall all through here, both sides of the road. There's no plowing. We've had to dig this entire thing out. Again, it's taller than the truck here on my left-hand side. I look out my window and I got nothing but snow. Can barely get down through here. These roads are worse than what the state has, and the state's not even totally open yet. Coming past the riding rink, again, still 3-4 feet. This is in the low areas. Huge amount here. We got ACOC open back to the back. Coming down through. Hope my video, I don't know if I got enough video here to make it, but coming down the turn, it's actually a little decent stretch here where we were able to plow. That's what a normal snow would do. It's what most of the state roads look like with a 2-foot. But as you will see as we get up closer to your house, the drifts were bad again. And up several feet. It's going to get worse before it gets better, because as this stuff thaws out, it's going to be mud where we had to abandon the road. I know everybody's complaining. I hope they keep in mind that we also have 400 cows to keep fed and watered and get hay to. We have done up here all the way to your house, back around the Walshes. What I have left, this is the road going down to the lower barn, about 4 or 5 feet deep. We will get there. That was very amicable with our progress, but now seems upset. So hopefully we will get her out today, and hopefully that will appease everyone. Sorry we couldn't do it faster or quicker, but we've been running around the clock, and I don't know what more we can do.